Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing how you want the loop to behave. Trim your clip to the core action and make it 9:16 for a clean story fit. Instagram shows 15-second cards. Once done, pick a looping approach. Make a boomerang for instant loop, export a looping video from an editor, or turn a reel into a story. Make sure your app is updated and you have the video ready in camera roll, then open Instagram and tap the story camera to begin. You now make the actual loop. If the moment is short, record or convert it to a boomerang and export. It auto-loops in stories. For longer or seamless repeats, open an editor like in Shot or CapCut. Import the clip, duplicate it 2 to 4 times back-to-back, then export one continuous video. This creates a repeat effect inside a single 15+ second file. Once exported, verify playback loop smoothly. Then return to Instagram. Choose your edited clip from the gallery to add to your story. You finish by publishing and checking playback. Upload the looped video to your story, using Instagram's trim to place the most engaging 15 seconds, or post multiple story cards to extend the repeat. If the platform compresses or crops your clip, re-export at 9:16h, 264, 1080 by 1920 and upload again. If playback stutters, clear the app cache, ensure Instagram is updated, or resave the file from your editor and re-upload. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.